Good morning. How are you? So how did your Mauna go? Mauna was full of disturbances, nice and
several breaches.
Several breaches. There is nothing called necessary. It's all your excuse. No, it's not compassion. It is your weakness. We don't know what compassion is, really. We really don't know. If you want to understand compassion, you have to be in communion with that passion that person is going through. If that communion is not there, that is not compassion. Anukampa, please listen. I know you love to discuss, but listen. Drop talking, listen. Create space to listen. Even if I am talking something nonsense, irrelevant, listen. Develop that enormous joy to listen, that is compassion. That is compassion. If you have that compassion, you listen to me first. Don't try to prove, don't try to argue, don't try to convince me. Listen to me. If you try to convince means there is violence. Don't try to convince me, just listen to me. Find out whether you have the space to listen. And find out whether that space is the space of harmony. In the very space you are listening is going to be a wonderful experience. Wonderful experience. Most of the time we are not listening, we are trying to prove our point. Drop that. What do you have to prove your point? If that is really happening, that is going to express by itself. Why you have to prove that? This. It's only a discussion. Because I am a teacher, you see. I have to behave like a teacher. So I have to relate this. It's very, very important. So when we talk about the compassion, find out the source of your compassion. Are you in communion with that passion? It means you are not there. You are not there. Your doership is not there. Your authority is not there. If your mind says, I am very compassionate, so let me help. If you use the word help, it means the authority. Who are you to help? You can serve, but you cannot help. How can you help, tell me? You can't help. I can't help, you can't help. No one can help. But I can serve. I can serve. Serve means there is humility, there is no me, only nama. Only nama, that is service. Nama is service. Instead of nama, if mana comes, then the mana will come. Then your status will come. Your priorities will come. Your internal samskaras will come. So, is such a wonderful ground where it does not do anything, but it does everything. It does not do anything, but it does everything. This is Upanishad. Upanishad is always at the pair of contradictions. It moves, it does not move. Upanishad. If you say you are hearing, means you are not hearing. Upanishad. If you say you are looking, but you are not looking, that is Upanishad. Anyway, I don't get into that. Already we are all confused. Why add some more confusions to the confusions? I want you to go back with this clear message. Panchakosha Viveka. Viveka means the wisdom, the intelligence. What is Panchakosha Viveka? The intelligence that is there among 5 koshas of existence, that is called Panchakosha Viveka. Human being is made up of 5 layers. The first layer is called Annamaya, the second is Pranamaya, third one is Manomaya, the fourth one is Vijnanamaya, and the last one is Anandamaya. Anandamaya is only a Chidakasha. A sadhaka can work at the first 4 levels, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, because these 4 layers, they belong to nature. So you can study the nature, but beyond that you cannot study. It has to reveal by itself. You cannot study anything. Even if you want to study, you can't do that unless you receive the grace, unless that itself reveals to you. You have to wait. This is what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Crores and crores and crores of people think of me. Lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of people try to put one step in that direction. Thousands and thousands and thousands of people travel halfway through. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds come to very close to the door. Tens and tens and tens knock. One who is fortunate enters. So find out, where are we? Where are we? Find out. Grace is needed. Without anugraha, nothing is going to work. But till I receive anugraha, there is something called Purusha Prayatna, and I can work at these 4 levels of existence, that is Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya.